I know, a long time no see and a lot of things have changed, but girl, today we are getting straight into the items that help me survive my third trimester, because as you can see by the changing table right here, girl, we are in the fourth trimester, meaning me and my baby are here together, safe and sound, and so many vlogs will be coming up soon. But girl, I gotta get my girlies through the third trimester because so much happened. We're gonna do a sit down. But right now, I know my girls need to know the things that'll get you through the third trimester if that's where you at, because I feel like I left a lot of my girlies just hanging in the wind. So, third trimester must-haves. Let's get into them. All right, y'all, so these items help me survive my third trimester. And when I'm saying survive my third trimester, and you think I don't know ball, baby, I know ball, okay? This was my first pregnancy, and not only did I have gestational diabetes, I also had preeclampsia with severe features, almost ended up with eclampsia, almost had seizures, was on the magnesium sulfate twice, honey, yeah, and hospitalized for a total of 4 days after I got to come home from the hospital. Yeah, I had to spend 4 days away from my baby, back at the hospital dealing with all these severe symptoms from my preeclampsia, which, fun fact, can last for a year after pregnancy. So trust me, baby, I know ball. And then on top of that, we also had a cholestasis scare. I got put on medication for cholestasis, and I had severe anemia, okay? I had to get multiple iron infusions. So baby, I know ball. These products are going to help you through your third trimester, through your whole pregnancy if you suffer with everything through your whole pregnancy. But for me, it all showed up in the third trimester. So I got my laptop here because I have the brain of a goldfish now, mom life. And we are going to discuss all the products that help me. The number one product that helped me, and I'm saying number one because I love it so much, I have two of them, is the UHOME Nugget Ice Maker. So I actually own one that I purchased with my own money. It is my favorite thing on the entire face of the earth, and I'll tell you why. Girl, when you are pregnant, there is no drink that can be cold enough, honey. And the ice needs to be the crispiest, smoothest, most delicious ice you can get, okay? Especially with anemia. One of the things with low iron is you like to chew on ice. Girl. When I tell you this UHOME ice was the best, it was a delicacy, okay, girl? When I tell you I emptied that ice machine multiple times a day into my 40-ounce cup, baby, I was addicted. All right, you guys, so like I'm saying, this bad boy is the bomb.com, to be honest. It drops ice within 7 minutes, and it's got a high capacity. It makes 40 pounds of ice a day, but it is so small, it can fit on even the smallest of countertops like an RV. So I love that about this guy. It's zero stress maintenance, guys. Self-cleaning, and it cleans within 20 minutes. It deep cleans itself. That's the best part. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. It's also got its own hanging scoop holder, which makes it so easy to use. And I really love the texture of the ice that it makes. Like, that nugget, just pebble ice is perfect. You can also use this with the app like you guys see me doing. So you can schedule your ice machine ahead of time and have it scheduled to drop your ice in certain hours of the day. You can also turn it on and off whenever you want from anywhere in your home with your smartphone or with your Alexa. That's right, you can set it up and use voice control as well. It is super cool and super easy to understand. The LED status ring on the front lets you know what it needs. The blue light means it's making ice. If it's purple, it means the basket is full. And if it's orange, it needs a water refill. Super, super simple. So upgrade your drinks today and visit the UHOME official store to get your own Smart Nugget Ice Maker. Okay, getting into the next item. This is called the Mimi Car Seat Belt Cover Pregnancy. Okay, it has a lot of different names. Girl, here's what it is. It makes it so that your seatbelt, instead of going across your belly, goes like around your legs. My husband actually bought it for me. He bought two, one for my car, one for his truck. Oh my God, this is the best thing ever. When he first bought it for me, I thought he was being kind of dramatic because my belly wasn't that big. So I was like, oh my God, babe, like, we're fine, right? Like I was being too much. So I was like, okay, whatever, we're fine. When I tell you, when the belly popped, honey, it popped, okay? We expanded, okay? I was large and in charge, like my name was Marge, you feel me? So That thing was the best thing ever. I could not sit in the car seat without it. I actually was driving sometimes, and I wish that I had him move it over to the driver's seat because it was amazing. Riding in the car, it was the best thing ever. It was the best thing ever. It was so comfortable. I wasn't scared about anything happening to the baby when we were riding in the car or anything, because if you get in a car accident, if you didn't know, the seatbelt like pulling you, if you get in a car accident, God forbid that happens to anyone, but if you did get in a car accident, it could harm the baby. So you want to make sure that that bottom seatbelt isn't gonna like crunch the baby, but it's still gonna keep you safe. And oh my God, just that peace of mind too. My anxious girlies, you know what's up. It just was amazing, but also so comfortable, because I was so uncomfortable with the seatbelts on, like, oh my Lord. So it was really comfortable having that once I got bigger. And I noticed it when I was in different cars. I was like, oh my God, yeah, I need that seatbelt thing in every vehicle, everywhere. So if you are a mommy and you're in like your first trimester, or you guys are planning to get pregnant, definitely grab that. I would honestly say if you're gonna have your baby shower early enough, you could put it on your registry, but if not, highly recommend just grabbing one and being prepared, because that thing is going to help you a ton. All right, guys, the next item is a pregnancy belly band. I had the KeaBabies, I think it's the brand name, KeaBabies. It comes in different sizes, so it'll work for mommies of all sizes, which I love. We love to be size inclusive here. But the other thing is, girl, you're gonna think that thing doesn't work. I'm gonna tell you this right now, again, because I didn't think it worked. So I was using it a little bit too early into pregnancy, I think. I tried using it because my husband bought it for me, and I was like, okay, I'll try it. I didn't think it worked. Then one day, when I tell you that thing worked and I couldn't bear to have it off of me, baby, it worked, okay? If you didn't know, with gestational diabetes, and preeclampsia as well, you can hold a lot of water. So I started like swelling, and the baby was so heavy. My back was killing me. Like, it was a lot, girlies, okay? I'm telling you, that support band was the difference between me being able to be on my feet and walk around and do things for the day, and me being bedbound for the entire day. My back would be in such severe pain. It was absurd. It was the kind of pain where you can't even breathe. It was awful. That support band got me through. Okay, that was the best thing ever. That is the only reason I was able to make it to all my doctor's appointments, because also when you have pregnancy complications, you end up with 3 to 4 doctor's appointments a week, girl. It's a lot. Okay, so yeah, it was a lot. That support band helped me so much. Like, I never took that thing off. I put it on first thing in the morning. Girl, even after, this is how you know it was really helping, because I would shower, put my clothes on, put that thing right on, have it on all day. I'm talking as long as I possibly could. Shower again at night, put it right back on. Oh, with my pajamas and everything, I had that thing on, doing my skincare, doing everything. I did not take it off until I laid down in bed. Then I would un-Velcro it. That's how much it helped me, okay? So if you were having a ton of back pain in pregnancy, if you really feel like the baby is just pulling you down, that is going to help you leaps and bounds. Okay, guys, this one's gonna seem kind of stupid, but I'm telling you, if you are pregnant, especially with gestational diabetes, you are so thirsty, there is no way to quench your thirst. And I was to the point where I was carrying around my water bottles everywhere all the time, trying to throw them in purses and make it to all these different appointments. You cannot have your straws sticking up, leaking everywhere. And I was not about to buy 50 new Stanleys or Hydro Flasks or whatever. I was not doing it, okay? We got a baby. We gotta be responsible with our finances. So instead, I bought these tops. They're the brand Dreamfocus, and I purchased them. I love them. What they do is turn your Stanleys into flip tops, just like the Hydro Jugs, which I love Hydro Jug water bottles. Honestly, they're my favorite out there because I love the flip straw, but I have Stanleys that I love as well. I love Stanley, honestly, because that's just like the brand my dad used when I was younger. And I remember his thermos having like the Stanley on it, and he would like take it to work with him and stuff, and he worked nights. So it just reminds me of my dad. That's why I'm a big fan of Stanley as well. But I could not justify buying new water bottles because I needed the flip straw. So I had to make it work. Found these on Amazon. They're like 13 bucks. Best purchase around, because now you can use both tops on your water bottles, number one. But number two, now they're all flip tops. So There's no reason to get rid of any of them. And you don't have to buy anything new, like water bottles that are $40, $50, 13 bucks, and you can use the same top on multiple different ones. So you don't even need to buy a bunch of different tops. If you don't want to match the colors, you really don't have to. Matching the colors is kind of extra, girl. For 13 bucks, you could literally get the 140-ounce top in like black or white and put it on all of your different Stanleys, and now they're all flip tops. So save yourself some coins, but also still be able to feel cute and match your outfits to your water bottles and all that fun stuff by getting the flip top lid. It's gonna save you money, but also it's gonna keep you hydrated, which is very important when you're pregnant, or not pregnant, honestly, but just like, girl, when you're pregnant, you're so thirsty all of the time. So it's gonna keep you hydrated, and for 13 bucks, like, girl, you can't beat it, especially in this economy, girl. All right, babe, the next one is adjustable sandals. Whoo! Now these babies, oh, blessed, okay? You will feel blessed and highly favored when you have adjustable sandals for your feet. Oh my God. So the ones that I got are the women's Bay sandals. They're by Shade & Shore, and they're from Target, but any adjustable sandals will work, to be honest. I loved these though because they were Velcro and they were only 20 bucks. Okay. $20, honey, $20. That was only $20. So I love them a little extra for that, you know what I'm saying? But if you're, oh my God, when you're pregnant, your feet will swell so bad, girl. They will swell so bad. Feet, ankles, girl, calves. At one point after after having my baby, my legs swole all the way up to my hips. And it was the most painful massage when my husband was massaging my legs to get all of that out, all the fluid out. Girl, you will swell, okay? So having shoes that you can just unvelcro and make a little wider for your feet, the blessing. Okay, it feels amazing, you guys. I don't even have words for you. It feels so amazing. It is the best feeling on the entire face of the earth. It's the best, okay? I highly recommend adjustable sandals. And of course, if you can grab these ones, they're only 20 bucks and they're very comfortable. Good support on the feet. They look cute. Like, girl, why not? They're perfect for summer. Even if you're not pregnant, obviously being out in summer, walking around, you know, your feet can swell, like music festivals, stuff like that. If you want to wear sandals, these will be the perfect, you know, little set. But also if you are pregnant, girl, get you some adjustable sandals. Your feet will thank you, especially the summer babes. They will thank you. All right, guys. So these last items are more like beauty, cosmetic-y thing, because you still want to feel your best while pregnant. And these items just made it the easiest for me. Number one is actually going to be the Epsom salt. It was the lavender one from Dr. Teal. So I used the Epsom salt and the bubble bath. I took a bath every single night in the last like month and a half of my pregnancy. It was the only thing that would help me get comfortable to be able to sleep, because I was having really bad insomnia while I was pregnant as well. And my little girly pop just loved to party down in my belly. She would start up at 11 p.m. and we basically couldn't go to sleep until about 4 o'clock in the morning. That was her like party down window. And now that she's here, it still kind of is, all right? So yeah, she would just be up in there doing her thing. So I'd be trying to get her to go to sleep. So I would take a bath, and it would also help me with trying to go to sleep, soothing my body, resting my muscles, just letting me relax. And then I would do some stretching and go to bed. And I feel like that really helps me in labor and things like that. So yeah, definitely Dr. Teal's the lavender one. I didn't get the one with the melatonin. My doctor recommended not getting the melatonin one. I'm not gonna speak on like the whole reason why, because I didn't really understand it. I just know my doctor told me not to get that one and just get the regular lavender one, girl. So that's what I got. If you wanna know, maybe Google it, ask your doctor, I don't know, but my doctor told me not to use the melatonin one, to just use the regular lavender one. So girl, just follow instructions, okay? The next item is from HANNI. It's HANNI, so HANNI. I hope I'm saying that right. And it's their Splash Salve body mask. Oh girl, when you are pregnant, I did not have the energy to stand in that shower, wash my whole body, dry off, get out, put lotion all over my body, all that. Girl, I couldn't do it, okay? I was swollen, I was tired, I was in pain. It was too much. So I needed an in-shower moisturizer that would actually moisturize my skin, because one thing about me, baby, I ain't gonna be ashy. You're gonna catch me in these streets ashy. No, ma'am. So what did I grab? This Splash Salve. Now, some people don't like the scent, so it does come unscented. However, I like the scent. I think it's a very like clean, like soft musk almost. It kind of gives like shea butter, cocoa butter with a little bit of floral. So I like the scent. I don't think it's too strong. It's soft. It's, you know, cute, I guess. I like it as a base for all my other scents. But the main reason I like the product, it is so moisturizing and so easy to apply in the shower, okay? You just rub that sucker on, rinse your body, and then pat dry, and it is highly moisturizing. Like, you will feel like you put on lotion and a body oil. That's how moisturized and firm your skin will feel. It feels amazing. It lasts a whole day, okay? So if you shower in the morning and you put that on, by the end of the night, you are still gonna feel moisturized. Or if you shower at night and you put that on, you wake up in the morning, you will still feel moisturized and good to go for your day. Like, it smells nice, you will feel moisturized. It is absolutely amazing. So highly 10 out of 10 recommend if you guys haven't tried it. The next one, if you are pregnant, you will know your hormones are crazy. And with summer approaching, girl, we're not trying to be funky, okay? We aren't. So I'm actually gonna recommend men's deodorant, in particular the Degree deodorant. I wore that my whole pregnancy. It's my husband's. He buys like the Costco pack, and I just stole one because I was like, oh my God, like I can't with the smells in my underarms. And that started in like the first trimester, and I was just like, oh my God, I can't. So I used his deodorant. I grabbed a brand new one from under the sink, and I was like, let me try this because none of my deodorants are working. Aluminum, not aluminum, didn't matter. None of them are working. I tried that one. Girl, knocked it out of the park, okay? And you won't smell like a guy. You won't smell like your husband's deodorant. I don't know what it was with my body chemistry, but I didn't smell like my husband's deodorant. It smelled good, but it didn't smell like a man on me. So yeah, highly recommend men's deodorant while you're pregnant because we all want to smell good, girlies, okay? So yeah, that's what I used and it worked for me. The last product I'm gonna recommend is the Glossier You perfume. I love that perfume. It's gotta be the one with the red top, baby, the original, the OG. I know that there are imposters out there. I'm just kidding, okay, they're not imposters. It's just different versions, all right? But it is the red cap one. Number one, the amount of times I got complimented on that scent while I was pregnant, crazy, okay? Crazy. I got complimented every single day that I left my house wearing that perfume. Number two, when you're pregnant, some of us are very sensitive to scents and things like that. It can make us throw up and it's not a vibe, okay? It never bothered me while I was pregnant. I could always wear that perfume. I love it. I actually wear it now because it just smells so natural and soft. It doesn't bother my baby either. And I still smell good and feel good, right? So if you don't have a perfume that you're using, or if your perfumes are making you nauseous and not feel good, I highly recommend trying out that perfume because it's a very soft scent, but it smells really good. It lingers all day. And I would argue that as the day goes on and your own body's chemistry kind of mixes with it, it smells even better. It gives like a very soft, sexy scent. And my husband loves it too. He always says I smell so good. At this point, I just wear it all the time. But before, when I purchased it, I actually purchased it for like quick perfume days. Like, oh, I'm going to like a Pilates class with friends, or I'm going to the gym with friends, or I'm just running errands really quick. That's what I kind of bought it for, was just like a run out the door. It'll smell nice, you know, kind of fragrance. And now I wear it. It's become like my everyday staple fragrance. And a lot of times I will mix it with other fragrances when I'm wearing them to give it that like soft, sexy scent. It is a really good scent. I highly, highly, highly recommend it if you're pregnant and you're sensitive to scents, but also in general because it just smells really good. All right, babes, so those are all of the products that I recommend for you to get you through the third trimester. And if you have any recommendations, please leave them down below for the other girlies so that we can help each other out. I really want to help all of my first-time moms out there because I'm a first-time mom too, so we are all learning together. If I missed anything on this list that really helped you through your third trimester or through your pregnancy at all, please leave it in the comments down below to help the girlies out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you click that subscribe button because your girl is back in full effect, and I cannot wait to keep making you guys videos. All right, babes, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.